Hi, let's look at this question on inequalities from our 2019 O-Level E-Maths paper. This is question 9A. Now in this question, on the left hand side we have 33% and on the right hand side we have 1/3. So how do I express 1/3 as a percentage? So if you were to key in this number 1/3 in your calculator, you will see that you get 0.3333 and so on, and it goes on indefinitely. To express this as a percentage, I multiply it by 100%, so I will get 33.333 and so on percentage. Okay, and on the left hand side I have 33%. So comparing these two numbers, we can say that 33% is lesser than 33.3333 and so on percentage. So the correct symbol for this would be less than. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.